Hello everyone. I was really distracted today when I was studying, so I thought let me share my views on distraction. This is something all of us know, what causes distraction and how to get rid of them and how to study properly. But a gentle reminder every now and then does no harm, and I thought I'll share my ways of tackling distraction. So here it goes. First thing, define and organize your study area. It should contain everything that you need for that 1 hour study session. Your books, mobile, laptop, water bottle, food, pens, paper, anything that you want. You're not getting up from your chair just to get them. Then once this is done, define your study goals. See, we have a to-do list for the day or for the week or the month, but we usually don't define our study goals before we start our 1 hour or 2 hour session. It's important to know what you're going to do in the next 45 minutes or 1 hour so that time won't be wasted in selecting where to start from. This is another thing. And then mobile phone. This is something all of us are addicted to, and we tend to use it again and again, and there are lots of notifications with so much free time and lockdown and everything. So try to avoid it, put it in some other room. If you're not able to do that, put it in a do not disturb mode, or use apps like Forest which help in concentration for that period of time. The thoughts are the major distractors that we have. It is the most evil thing to have while studying. The thoughts can be as silly as what my mom is cooking in the next room, what my brother is watching in the next room. These are the things that distract you very easily and eat up a lot of time. So I have one small tip, that is, take a pen and a paper, write down the thoughts as it is, as you are getting them, and immediately go back to studying without thinking about them. This way you'll not waste time in thinking about the answers for those questions. Once your study session is done, take that paper, answer all your questions one by one. Initially you may get as high as 15-20 questions in 45-minute period, but with the time, with practice, the number of questions start reducing and you'll start focusing more. This is a tried and tested method. It is done by me over years since my 8th standard. So I'm very confident about this method. Please try this. Write your thoughts on a piece of paper. Do not answer them while studying. You can do it later on once your session is done. This is really important. How much ever focused we are, how much ever we try to study, the circumstances sometimes do not let us do it. Today especially, I was not feeling like studying at all, but I sat down and tried to complete something. This habit is really important. Even if you don't feel like studying, it's really important to sit there. Do not move from your place. Try to do as much as possible. This way you develop a habit of sitting at one place for a particular period of time, and in long run this helps in study. You can do a few more things, like you can scribble while you're studying so that your mind doesn't wander. You can read out loud so that your mind doesn't wander. You can read out loud, you can explain to someone, you can explain to an imaginary person, you can scribble all the keywords. This way you keep your entire mind and body focused to what you're doing. You will become more productive in the most unproductive days. I hope this helps. Thank you, and please do try the thoughts thing.